the monitor or the auxiliary sends. So the first two you can switch between pre and post, and the second two you can switch between pre and post, so it's in groups. If it's pre-fader, what that means is that when the fader is down, like this, this will still turn up the monitors. So that's usually how you want it, so that these knobs are controlling the level to the monitors independent of where this fader is. Okay, if you want it to be post fader, then you take the button out and then it becomes post fader, and then if this is down, nothing will go to the monitors even if this is all the way up. Cool. And then the white ones are sends to the effects. If you want to use them as auxiliary channels instead, then you just put that button in like it is. These should all be out. Don't know why they're in. Anyway, now they're all out. Okay. And then instead of going to the effects internally, they will come out the back panel. That's if you need another two auxiliaries. But generally we've always survived with 4 monitor mixers. Okay, then you've got the pan. Most of the time you'll need to just leave that in the center. Just trust me on that one.